Hi, let's make some neutral Valentine aesthetic decor this time. For the first one, you can take a wood framed chalkboard. I took some cardboard. I took a square piece of cardboard and then a black cardstock paper or a black chalkboard paper cut into a smaller square and pasted over it. Then I had cut out thin strips of cardboard in this beautiful wood color and I've cut them to sizes such that it forms a beautiful frame around my chalkboard and looks like wood. Just glue them with strong adhesive glue and I have a chalkboard sign ready. Next I took a white chalk and I am making my heart sign. It's actually a Cupid's bow. So I have a beautiful Cupid's bow heart sign on chalkboard ready. For my second DIY, I'm upcycling this Christmas banner ornament that I made a few videos back. I'll link it above and in my description box. I used some brown craft paper, old book pages, skewer or dowels and red and white string to make this banner. I'm just going to turn it the other side and use the other side. I took a black color pen and I'm making this Nordic star or cross sign all over it to make it look like a neutral pattern paper. This was pretty simple yet looks really elegant. Then I took some dark red cardstock paper which will form a great contrast against the brown paper. Fold it into half and again fold it and then cut out half of the heart shape. So when I open I get two heart pieces. I fold one of them and stick it over the other so that it becomes a 3D heart and I'll stick it on the center of my banner. Easy, beautiful, very aesthetic Valentine's neutral decor. For my third DIY, I took one of the signs which can sit horizontally on a tray or even vertically. I'm going to use it vertically. I'm taking a red color pen and writing down an important equation. My today's video is part of Love is in the Air challenge that is being hosted by Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY, Amanda from Six Kids and a Glue Gun, and Chantel from Crafty Hints. I'll put links to all the three channels and to the challenge playlist down in my description box. Do check it. You plus me equals to us. Very important equation and this is a perfect time to use it in decor. I like them all. They look so aesthetic. Very neutral, goes with all decor, looks very elegant and very meaningful for the Valentine's decor. I hope you enjoyed too. Let me know in the comment section below. And everyone have a wonderful New Year 2023. Have a healthy, happy and prosperous life ahead. See you soon. Thank you.